Everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm going to show you how to apply the Youngblood Loose Mineral Foundation today. I start off with the Youngblood Mineral Primer. Take about, a little dime size, and you just rub it in your skin, a circular motion. And this helps to prep and set the skin for the foundation. I got a really great tip from Pauline, who is the CEO and the owner and creator of Youngblood. So before you do any mineral powder, she uses a light rice powder, and you lightly go over your face with this prior to the application of the loose mineral foundation. This helps with any splotching that may occur when you have any moisturizer or primer underneath. Now I'm going to show you how to get a very lightweight coverage with the Kabuki brush. This is the Youngblood YB1 brush, and I am a warm beige in the loose mineral foundation. And so what I do is load that up, just swipe it all over wherever you want a little bit of coverage. And this is super, super lightweight. The soothing minerals really help your skin to breathe and also prevent future breakouts. Now I'm going to show you how to get a more full coverage. This is the YB6 Youngblood brush. It's a little bit denser. The Kabuki brush is a little fluffier, so that gives you the lighter coverage. This gives you a more full coverage. So again, load that up and go in circular motions. So now that I have the more full coverage on my face, you can really see that it looks completely airbrushed. It looks silky smooth. The mica in the powder really helps to heal and conceal any issues that you have, any redness, any acne, any rosacea, melasma. So I personally love this. Not only is it gonna cover, but also it helps allow your skin to breathe and feel healthy and give you a healthy glow. So now I'm gonna continue my makeup and I'll show you the end product. I'm gonna go in with the soft beige, which is a lighter color, and I wanna just go in and highlight underneath the eyes. And I'm gonna conceal all of my acne. I'm going to brighten on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. And voila! This is the Soleil bronzer by Youngblood. I am going to be using the YB5. Let's get a little product on there. I'm just gonna use this right under my cheekbone, right along the forehead, underneath the jaw, the bridge of the nose. I'm not gonna do eyeshadow today, so I like to just kind of brush a little bit of this on. I'm also gonna do the other side, of course. This just kind of warms you up and gives you that sun-kissed look. I love this color bronzer. This is a Soleil, and it's really good for mostly all skin tones. Now I'm going to apply the light reflecting highlighter in Aurora. This is just gonna go right on the top of the cheekbones. Bridge of the nose, a little bit on the lips. I'm gonna use the On Point Brow Defining Pencil. This is the color Blonde. So I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas that I have in my brows. I love this pencil. It's super easy to use. And then they have the spoolie on the back. I mean, look at that. Crazy. Now I'm gonna come in with their mascara. Look at how pretty it looks with just a little bit of brow and mascara. Just opens your eyes. My favorite lip pencil from Youngblood. This is the All Natural Lip Pencil. I like to go in with a little bit of a lighter color. This is Muse. I'm gonna go right in the middle of my lips. Last but not least, this is Uptown, my favorite gloss. It's gorgeous. These are all just really basic, beautiful nudes. Okay. This is the final look. Super, super easy, featuring the loose Youngblood Mineral Foundation. I mean, it looks flawless. I do not have a filter on, and look at how gorgeous it looks. This is the final look using the Loose Mineral Foundation by Youngblood Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions.